After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on this Tax Home button. After that, you want to scroll all the way down and you will see this, your tax return and documents, and you want to click on them, which will open up this window, and on top of it, you may choose on which year you want to have an access or view your tax return. And after you choose the year, you may click right here on Amend or Changed Return. Later on, this little tab will pop up, and you want to click on Amend using TurboTax Online button right here. And on this window, you may choose on the reason of your amendment and start to do your changes. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.